I'm here to show you the in colors. They have two different sheets. Tahitian Tide, Oasis, Orchard Oasis, Parakeet Party, I have Sweet Sorbet and Starry Night. And dots on one side, squares on the other. And this is the other side of this and flowers and glimmer paper. So blends, in color markers, blends in Starry Night, Sweet Sorbet, Tahitian Tide, Orchard Oasis, Parakeet Party. And the stamp pads are Starry Sky, Sweet Sorbet, Tahitian Tide, Parakeet Party, or Orchard Oasis. And the same in scarves and cardstock. Well, I'm here to do Nature's Prints, and they have natural print dies. This is for this. This is for this. This is for this. This is for this. And then we have an oasis and leaves and leaves. And and a 3D embossing folder. And I messed up my paper. Okay, so this is the first side, this is the second side, this is the first side, and it's beautiful paper. Second side, first side, stripes. I'm pretty sure these are flowers and dandelions and dots and ferns and flowers and this is sun prints. So, okay, let me show you the cards. I have 3 cards that I made from Pinterest. Hello there, a heartfelt thank you, and best wishes and happy thoughts. I found them on Pinterest, and I'm going to make a card here. I already did the printing. Ooh. I don't have okay. So we're gonna put glue dots on them, dimensional. I'm pretty sure I did and the leaves are gonna go You're on my mind. I already printed them. So I'm gonna put these on. And that's my card. It's very simple. Let's look at them up close. You're on my mind. Hello there. A heartfelt thank you and best wishes and happy thoughts. I did the splotch and the flower and the leaves. And the leaves. So that is my card today. I hope you have a very good weekend. I'm leaving for a scrapping weekend, and have a good Friday.